Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going over the Aquaware 6 custom intention. So once you've logged into the portal, we're going to go ahead and launch Aquaware. We're going to head on over to the custom intention. I'm going to show you the basics of creating one. So the custom intention was added to Aquaware 4, greatly enhanced in 5, and then really perfected now in Aquaware 6. And when development was happening on Aquaware 4, I needed something under the advanced section that would radically alter the way people were perceiving intentions and to take it to a whole nother level. And one of the key factors in that was we wanted to remove the chains that were pretty much on every version of Aquaware before. And that was to give users the ability to create a custom intention. But some of the building blocks and some of the difficulties in getting there was really to discover how the universe or source communicates and helps create reality and everything in between. And that was the language of mathematics. And I was driving home one day, and it was a fall day, and the idea was given to me I was looking at the leaves change, and I was like, well, what formula is found in nature? And of course, it was a golden ratio. So we took the golden ratio, and we derived 3 levels of an algorithm that would take your intention that you write, scrub it down through these 3 levels of the intention, and then return an integer. And the integer was the purest form of any intent to allow source to communicate to the water in the purest form of the intention. So once we figured it out, we started testing it, and it came again in Aquaware 4, was enhanced in 5, and now it's perfected in 6. And today we're going to see how this works. Now, in creating an intention, it's really the art of how you write it. Kind of like I've been saying for years, the art of crafting an intention for manifestation. This is no different. You keep it simple, make it bold and direct. The universe is there for you to command. If you're shy or coy, it's not going to work, right, with the intention. So from here, we're going to click on New, and we offered, obviously, the energy infused for brilliant beings. Again, in here, all of these just absolutely wonderful people that I've captured the essence over the years and allow you to direct the best attributes that they had in life into water. Then, of course, you can come over to infuse for health and well-being, and these are the classic Aquaware ones. So between the first 2 categories, there's already over 1,000 intentions. But this is something I want to show you. Generic intention Foshi. Okay, in here we've added close to 300 images across a whole nother plane of time to play within Aquaware. So if you click on any one of these, you're going to find, I believe, up to 33 images in each one. Okay, and you can now use these to help craft an intention. So we'll just pick one under here. We use Z024, and now it comes time to craft your intention. Now, the same rule sets that apply to Aquaware 4 and 5 now exist within 6, and that's basically no uppercase characters, no special characters. Everything is in lowercase. So in crafting that intent, I would write it out on paper a few times, and then we'll just do one here quickly. Well-being in my body, mind, and spirit. Okay, now as I'm typing, you'll notice a formula show up down here. And this is the same formula that you had just typed. Now it's washed through 3 layers of the golden ratio to derive at this, okay? It's very important. This number is well-being in my body, mind, and spirit. That is the purest form of the intention that we're now going to consciously direct in the water. So here I'm going to go ahead and save this. Okay, this is now being saved in my personal library. And in some of the advanced videos, I'm going to show you quantum layering sessions with your own simple session, your own advanced session, and your own custom intentions. Okay, we can bring them all under the banner of the QLS. It's really cool. So from here, we're going to go ahead and, okay, we're going to go ahead and give it a quick decision, description. Let's call it custom intention number 1. And we're going to go ahead and save that. Okay, now we have some options. Any custom intention that you saved shows up under the custom library, under personal intentions, and here's this guy. So we can go back to something like advanced session, and we can go ahead and load this guy up. And now we have not only the customizable, well-being in my body, mind, and spirit, the integer, the number in its purest form, but I want to increase the power of this guy now a little bit. So we're going to take it up to 81%. And maybe I want to add a point to it. Maybe put one, couple there, put another one over here. And we're going to go ahead, we're going to run this session now. Again, when you run a session, the only thing that's required of the user is that you put your attention on the target water. I'll add one more here, one more there. I'm going to just edit this point quickly. I'm just going to bring that up to 81. We'll save this session. Now we're going to run it. It's going to use water preparation, user preparation, and of course nucleating our intention in the perfect form. And there we go. That's giving off a lot of energy. Now, of course, you can use the simple session editor as well to load that up and of course just run it as is. So you have a lot of options here, folks. When I get into the more advanced library, the more advanced techniques in the next few videos, I'll be showing you a lot more customization that we can be doing. Thanks, folks.